Today, we are unboxing a box from the 195 box subscription. Each box features a different country. The boxes are cute and fairly compact. Under the mailing label is a maze. Our son is 11. He said it was easy. For better or worse, the box makes a noise when you open it. Inside, the box is filled with stickers, a poster with facts about the country, an activity book, a small Lego kit, a passport to draw in, rainbow pencils, origami, crayons, a glue stick, a flag, and lots of shredded paper. Thanks for watching.